Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best way to use Cash App for emergency funds. Now, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all, so let's get straight into the video. The best way to use Cash App for emergency funds is to prioritize accessibility without temptations. Keep only a controlled amount designated strictly for emergencies and not daily spendings. Store these funds separately from your regular bank by transferring them in only when needed or immediately after income arrives. Enable security features so that emergency funds cannot be accessed casually or impulsively. Avoid linking the emergency balance to frequent spending habits such as online shopping or subscriptions. Review the balance occasionally, but resist using it unless absolutely necessary. Cash App works well for short-term emergency access, but discipline is essential. Clear rules around when and why the funds can be used ensures that they remain available when real emergencies occur. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.